welcome to another episode of Box TV. Now, this episode is Come Dung Likkle Bit again. Now, when I say come down little bit, I mean when people are do foolishness and say something when it makes sense or add up, you tell them come down little bit. For instance, you talk about you have account, checking and savings, full of money, when you know the only account you have in your name is Facebook. Come down little bit. You're in a party about well shampoo down clean and your head full of dandruff. You need some condition, come down little bit. My girl, you claim you and the man is so in love, but every time you tag him a picture with the two on him somehow untag it. Come down little bit. If you have to take 25 selfies for put up one, come down little bit. Most of the girl at Jamaica brag about 2.5 man and fire and all Western Union are the best friend. And the man not stop sending no money for go pick up. But you don't know talk the truth. I be a $10 or $20 the man a send come go now. Come down little bit. And when you pick it up, it's not even enough. You take a taxi if you go back home. Come down little bit. Some of the girl in a party a ball out on a hat and can't even spell temperature. Come down little bit. Some of the niggas so not DJ for 5, 6, 7 years now and all now. You don't get a bookings. Come down little bit. Then you have the one them put up mix CD every month and up to now none of your mix CD no get one download. Come down little bit. If you know somebody who does these things, share, like, comment, tell them. Come down little bit. Subscribe to our professor on YouTube. But don't move your feet. Add me upon IG, Facebook, Twitter. Buy a box t-shirt or buy a come down little bit t-shirt. Don't forget, cut the fuckery and just come down little bit. Check out music them on YouTube. God.